Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's start learn. You are watching my spoken English practice series. So before starting, let me tell you there is some construction work going on above my house. So there may be some voice come in the video. So please cooperate with me and thank you so much for your understanding. So before starting, let me ask you a question. Have you ever noticed that how some words can change your mood? Or some words, some kind of words that can make you happy, some kind of words that can make you sad. So, how these words work and how the words affect our mind. Today's video we are talking about power of words. Before starting this video, I want to tell you that if you are not subscribing my channel yet, so please just subscribe my channel and share, like the videos and comments my mistakes in the comment box. So what is words? Words are two type of words are there: positive words and negative words. So positive words, what is the positive and negative words? So positive words are the good words that give us hope, that give us confidence, that feel strong. So these are the positive words, and is like I am good, I am energetic, I can, yes, I can do this, everything is okay. These are the positive words. But some negative words like I can't, no, I can't do this, never, I will never improve. So these are the negative words, because these, when I say these negative words and I use these type of negative words, my energy, and I feel low confidence and my energy was weak. But when I say positive words and think about positive words, then my energy is boost, my confidence was boost. And whenever I talk about negative words, then my confidence goes down. But with the positive words, my confidence goes up. So this is the power of words when we use positive words. Suppose I woke up at the morning and my first word was, wow, today is my day, I can do everything whatever I want, and I utilize my day productive way, and today I do my all task on time. So these are the positive words. And if I say this type of words, I am happy, I am energetic, then I feel another level of energy, and my confidence was high, and my energy is, I am enthusiasm about my energy at that time when I using positive words. But suppose if I woke up from my bed and I said, today is my bad day, I'm not well today, I can't do anything, I am bad. So these are the words that feel me very low, my confidence goes down, and I feel very negative energy. And if day is good, but if I use these type of words, then my day will be bad in real. This is the power of words. That's why we should be use words wisely, because when we use positive words, we think positive, and when we think positive slowly, then we action positive accordingly. So I don't say that you positive, by using positive words you can change overnight or you can change your life in one day. But if you use positive words daily and in your daily life, then your thinking was change. You think in another way and your thinking was changed, and when your thinking was changed, then your action also will be changed. And sorry, I use was that I think it is wrong in that sentence, because I am talking about future, but I use was. So it wrong. So I correct myself again. So if you thinking in positive, then your action will be positive, and your action will be positive, then your life will be changed. How the words work: suppose you are English learner and you always use the word I can't speak in English, I never improve. So how you improve? Because whenever you use these type of words, then your starting was already stopped, because you never think about starting a new step. This is the power of words. You are learner, you want to improve yourself, then say to yourself first, I can do all these things whatever I want, and I improve myself, I will try, I can do all these things. So I am learning English, I am improving myself day by day. So these are the words that boost your confidence, that boost your thinking, and you are also thinking right way by using positive words. From today, correct your words and think wisely, and use consciously, use words, positive words consciously. We thinking more and too much thinking, so negative word, and in the thinking negative words more come in our mind. So whenever think and whenever we go negatively, then consciously correct ourselves and improve our vocabulary. Like positive, always convert negative words in positive words, and always replace negative words by positive words. Like I can't, instead of I can't, you can say I will try. Start from today, and as you know, I am learning English, I am improving myself, and today I am also improve myself one step forward from yesterday. And today my confidence is better than previous, and today I am one step forward from yesterday. So thank you so much for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel. Let's start learn, and watch this video. We learn together, we improve together, and thank you so much.